All right, so there are a couple of different ways I'm gonna show you how to make comments. I thought that there was gonna be like an actual text comment feature. There's not, but there's a way that we can work around it. So from here in the Flipgrid at the start, what you can do is you can scroll down. You can see everybody's wonderful little Flipgrid that they made. And then if you want to comment on somebody specifically, you can click on their video. It's going to bring it up, and play automatically, so you may have to pause it. And then there's two places where you can record a response. You can click there, or you can add a comment there. Both of these are going to bring up the video camera, so it's going to think that you want to record like a video response. But if you'd rather do a text response, then here's what you're going to do. You're going to come down here to Effects, and you can click like board, or you could put a photo on there if you wanted to, but for now I'm just going to show you. I'm going to put up a whiteboard. So that just puts up a whiteboard. Then I can click on Effects again. I can click on Text, and it gives me all these different text options. I'm going to click Superpower because I like it, and then I can type my comment, and I can say, I love Legos too. Let's be BFFs. Now you may have to like drag it and move it around a little bit, right? So like once you finish it, you can move it to where you want. You can resize it and stuff. You could add emojis and things. But once you have that board set, then if you want to record just a text comment like this, just click your camera to record for a couple of seconds. It's going to count down. You can leave it there for them long enough to read it, and then you can press pause and next, and that'll it's a video comment. Oops. It's a video comment, but it's still just text, and it'll ask for a selfie. You could do the same thing, right? You could just say like, well, let me bring in a picture of Legos or something, or let me just put up a a whiteboard or whatever that says your name. So like you could, if you don't want to put your face on there, you could put a whiteboard, and then you could put some text on there and say like, from Mr. Graham. I can resize it and make sure that it's on the screen like that. Okay, so if that's too tough, then you can just record a quick video comment. That might honestly be even faster. But again, throw on some comments to your classmates and help them feel good about themselves.